Hey guys, we're here at the Inverness Beach. Water temperature 22 degrees. Air's 26, but that was earlier. So I'm going to take a little stroll. It's later in the day here today, so it's a lot cooler. It was like, probably about 35 today with the humidity today, so this, our beach is all wheelchair accessible. It's closed now, so it's wheelchair accessible until 6 o'clock in the evening, which is great. I think they're after pulling up the mats. Oh no, there's some mats still here, so it's great. They have everything equipped, chairs go right into the water for anybody that needs accessibility. Still quite a few people here. Gorgeous day still. There's another mats rolled up there. It's the channel over there where you're seeing all the rocks go out into the harbor. That's where boats go out, the fishermen go out. Beautiful day, nice sand. Sand's here really nice. It's really, really light. It's not real white sand. It's kind of nice and light though. It gets quite warm, quite hot when it's really hot here. Kind of like we're still getting some of that quite a bit of humidity, and it's been kind of like an overcast the last few days from that hurricane, so we're getting kind of a lot of that overcast days, but still some blue skies though as well. Let's go over to the check out the sandbar. I'm just gonna take off my sandals. I didn't expect it to be still so busy here, but it is still so beautiful. We get a lot of tourists still this time of year. Hey Shelly. I don't know if you'll be watching today because I know you're still probably not feeling great. So when you're feeling up to it, you can check out the ocean. I'm sure it'll make you feel a little better. I know it makes me feel better. I usually like to come down here. This is my happy place. It's only about 2 minutes from my home, so it's fantastic. So yeah, the water's about 22 degrees Celsius. I'm not sure what that is in Fahrenheit, but it's quite warm. It's not bath water, but it's getting close to it. Kayaking or canoeing or kayaking, yes. Hello. So it's nice and clear. So there's no jellyfish. You usually get jellyfish kind of later into August, but Our seasons are a little weird this year, so we didn't have any jellyfish all this year, which is wonderful. So yeah, it's beautiful. I don't know, I don't think you can see it out there. There's an island right out off there. It's pretty hazy right now, so you can't really see it. It's they call it Sea Island or Seal Island. Or actually no, doggy over there. It's called Wolf Island, sorry. It's also, we call it Margaree Island. It was actually out off of there where the shark attack happened, which is not too far from here, but yeah, but there's lots of seals out there, which isn't a worry to us because there's no seals around here. But yeah, so it's beautiful. Here we are. There's quite a bit of people over there. Everybody usually goes down way over by the rocks over there. They play volleyball over there. Ooh, oops. Ooh, that wave was big and got soaked. And yeah, so over the beach there's a place over yonder where is the Inverness Beach Village, which is like a camping site and cabins. So the beach is usually filled up pretty good over there. But yeah, it's a beautiful place to come. I managed to get here, I can't believe it, by myself. I took off before my little ones could notice I left. Just to get a little time in on the beach by myself, a little mental health break. It's just where I like to come. It is my happy place for sure. I told you guys I was going to take you on the trip to the beach. And I know a lot of you guys don't get to, guys and gals, don't get to come to the beach that often. So I guess we kind of take it for granted here. The beach is so close. So I wanted to bring you along with me. I also like to look for beach glass. There's lots of beach glass around our beach, and we have many people come in herds here looking for different variety of beach glass, and they make beach glass jewelry, necklaces and earrings. Depending on the tides, it'll wash in. So there's all different colors. There's the blues are kind of a hot commodity, hard to find. The green and the whites are more popular. People like to collect them for sure, and they are beautiful. I'm not seeing too many along here. The tide is out right now, so yeah, I'm not seeing too many. Let me see. What's this one here? I don't know. It's just a rock. Yeah, it's a pretty one though. But yeah, so maybe sometime I'll come down and I'll start gathering some beach glass and maybe send some pieces to whoever might be interested. Oh, this is a pretty piece. Let's see if I can get a good angle on that. Yeah, we have plaster rock over the beach, like a piece over by those mountains over there with amethyst. I got a few nice chunks of amethyst over there back years ago. Haven't been over there in a while, but yeah, we get a lot of like the old bottles from some of the ships and stuff that had sunk, and with different bottles on them that have been out there for many moons, that have all you know, little pieces of dishes and whatnot, and so it's really neat to see how they have worn in time, and yeah, it's pretty cool. Anyway, so yeah, that's about it. I thought I'd just take you down and show you some of the sights. I was hoping maybe I might stick around and show you the sunset, maybe in a little bit. It's a little early for the sunset. But maybe we'll hang around for that. But yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later. Hope you enjoyed our Inverness Beach as much as I do. Take care, guys.